installation into the bike.
Good morning, Deepti.
Good morning.
So, I think it's a great day to learn about Falco Wheel Installation. So, we have got here a bicycle ready to accept Falco Wheel. We have got a Falco Electric Wheel here. We have got all the tools and we can get started. So, what we have here with me today is the Falco Electric Wheel, and we have got the tools to install the wheel into the frame. So I have got here a pair of gloves because I want to be able to protect my hands while I am dealing with the bicycle chain. I have got a tool here to evaluate the fitness of the dropout. We have got a bunch of zip ties. We have got, this is the wheel hardware. We have got two 12mm nuts. These are two torque bars, or also called anti-rotation lock nuts. We have got 4 washers, as you can see. We have got a torque arm, number 8 wrench, number 10 wrench, another number 10 wrench. We have got here number 19 wrench, and then we have got a torque wrench, right? So we're going to use all of this to install the electric wheel into the frame.